my God, what the fuck? I look good, I look good, I look delicious. Oh my God, what the fuck? I look good, I look good, I look delicious.
No, you're that girl.
Yeah.
You just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.
I would like to see the baby. I would like to see the baby.
It's just been revoked.
I love all of you. Even the parts that you believe are too dark and too shameful. Every scar, every flaw, every imperfection. I love you.